Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Koala's March chocolate house. This Koala's March candy house box contains Koala's March and the best-selling snack from Lotte. My kids did a great job, however my daughter said she can't eat it, while my son said he wants to eat it now. I'm on my daughter's side, however I knew that it can get bad quickly, so we decided to eat it on the next day. Which side are you on? You can eat it or you can't. Let me know in the comments field. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out.
これからコアラのマーチのお菓子ハウスを作ります。
As seen in the instructions, there are two houses you can make, a big one or a small one. But there's only enough candies in the kit to create one house, so be careful. What you first do is cut the chocolate and melt the chocolate that you're not going to use over double boiler. On the instruction, there is a ruler. You can use it to measure and cut the CRUNKY Wafers and Toppo. Now spoon the melted chocolate and attach to build the house. Put in the freezer or fridge to set. When each part is attached securely, it's easy to work with. Aside from the chocolate house, you can also create a seesaw, a bench, and a slide using leftover pieces, so don't eat them too soon. Last but not least, you can arrange the Koala's March around the house and in the playground. Of course, you can spend more time decorating the house. Be creative. By the way, Koala's March, in Japanese we pronounce it Koala no Machi. It also contains 3 different backgrounds for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and one you can use all year round. They're so cute.
完成です。見て。このトナカイちゃんとこのテントに乗っている人がちょっと可愛かったなと。このシーソーがなんか難しいけどよくできたと思う。滑れないね。この人すごいよね。滑らない。あとね、中がね、一番ね、狭い。ディーリン。ほら、暗くて狭い。お菓子を食べてる人とご飯を食べてる人がいる。あとね、せっせと急いでる子もいるね。なんで一番奥でお餅つきをしてんだ。狭いな。ほら。
動くね。
うん。動くね。
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
動いてるな。
ちょっと何がなんとなくこ
幸せそうな顔になってるよ。
美味しかった。だけどまだいっぱいあるよ。ポッキーとか。